Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a couple geodes. It's kind of become my latest obsession, so we're going to make a few of those today. And I have already laid out the silicone and let it dry overnight, and so now we can get started. And today I'm going to be using Just Resin products, the Just Resin gold pigment, and then I have the blue diamond. It's really pretty. Turquoise luster. This color is really gorgeous. Just the titanium white and phthalo blue for this big one right here. I think I'm going to do some different colors in these little ones, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the resin off camera, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got all my colors mixed up, and I'm just going to start pouring. so that is the finished product. Well, it's not finished until it's dry, but I will show you guys the finished product when it's dry and in a couple of days. So yeah, there's my geode. I really love this art technique, I guess. I don't know. I really love this type of art. I think that it's just gorgeous, and I haven't seen a whole lot of people do it, but the ones that I have seen, it's just like amazing. So I wanted to try it for myself. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.